How to use Walmart price scanner. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And on today's video we will learn how we can use Walmart price scanner. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. For that, first of all, you have to open up the Walmart application. Make sure that you're logged into your account. So once you're logged in, navigate to the search bar at the top, and on next to search bar there is a small scan icon, so you have to tap on that barcode scanner icon. Now you'll see this kind of interface. All you have to do is point your phone's camera at the item's barcode, and once you scan the barcode, the application will show the current in-store price, availability and details. But sometimes the online prices are lower, so you can buy it online or show the price as checkout. So that's it. That's how you can use the Walmart price scanner for easy, fast and free the next time you shop on Walmart. That's it. That's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.